Yo, what is up? Welcome to another episode of Digital Dunget Reviews, and we're here to review the Oontz Angle 3. So, I got this from Lazada around 1,499 pesos. I think that's around 30 $30. I don't know. It's like $28. So, okay, let's unbox this. This is the most affordable Bluetooth speaker I've seen in Lazada. So you have the manual and cables. Okay, wow, that's pretty short. So the charger cable is pretty short. So I think you need to charge this using your mobile charger. Let's get that out of the way. And we have here the aux cable. I'm pretty glad they included this since a lot of Bluetooth speakers nowadays doesn't include these. And now for the unit itself, let's check. There. There you go. Let me focus that. There. It's pretty nice. It has some weight to it. Ooh. So you can see the two speakers there. And I'm guessing the bass comes out here. And the rubber here on the side has a pretty nice matte feel to it. And where's the charging? Oh, there. This is where you charge it. And this is where you connect the auxiliary cable also. Okay, let's try this out. Let me just connect this to a music source and let's try to play some music. So we are now going to test the sound quality of the Oontz Angle 3. Earlier I was using this lapel mic for the unboxing, but right now I'm using the standard mic or the built-in mic using in my cell phone. So let's try what the sound is. Here we go.
Who's hot, who not? Tell me who rock, who sell out in the stores. You tell me who flop, who cop the blue drop, who jewels got pop, who knows be doping down to the blue drop. The same old pimp, mates, you know ain't nothing changed but my limp. Can't stop till I see my name on the blimp. Guarantee me and sales pull a level up. You don't believe in Harlem World, double up. We don't play around, it's a bet, lay it down. Cause they didn't know me 91, bet they know me now. I'm the young Harlem with the Goldie sound. Can't no PD.
Shout to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys.
So as you can see and hear, it has a really big sound for the size. Although some of the highs might get too overwhelming for some of the songs, but I don't mind. Uh, this is the best and the most affordable speakers I've ever heard. Some of the speakers in this caliber or quality costs around hundreds of dollars or almost $100. Uh, it just don't expect that it's going to be really really loud. It's really loud for its size though. You don't bring this to a party and expect that everyone inside a noisy room will hear your music. It's okay for listening, like for two or three people. Or this is the best speakers in my opinion for its price range. I suggest you get it at Lazada. It's 1,499 pesos only. I ordered it yesterday and it was delivered today. So kudos to Lazada for doing that, for the very fast delivery. So I highly suggest the speaker. It won't break the bank, obviously. So there, the Oontz Angle 3. Good job.